In this video, I'm going to construct a rectangle that has an area of 30 units and a length of 15. Then afterwards, I'm going to calculate the total length around the rectangle. To begin, I'm going to use the rectangle command. And it's going to ask me to specify my first point. I'm going to click anywhere in my graphics area. Then next, I'm going to type the letter A for area and press enter. And this time it's going to ask me what area of the rectangle, and that'll be 30. Then next is going to ask me to calculate whether I want the length or the width. I want to choose the length. Then lastly, it's going to ask me to enter the length, which is 15. I press enter, and that produced me a rectangle with that calculation. At this time, I can now calculate the total length of this rectangle by selecting it, right-clicking, and going to Properties. Here, my total length will be 34. This concludes this video.